Hello students, today we will do the experiment number 5a. Here we will analyze the adder and subtractor using IC 74153 and 4 variable function using IC 74151. It's a mux. So both are mux only. So using 74153 mux, we will implement the half adder, full adder and half subtractor, full subtractor. So first we will go through this experiment number 5a. Okay, so coming to the 74153 IC pin diagram. So this IC is a dual 4 input IC. Here we have I0 to I3. It is 1 I0 to 1 I3. It's a one part of the input, and here 2 I0 to 2 I3. It's a another part of the input. So other 7 is a output. Two outputs will be there. So output and another output is here, and for this we will use enables EA and EB. Those should be active low. So to operate this IC, so EA and EB should be active low. So for this mux IC, we have two select lines, S1 and S0. Okay, so another are ground and VCC. So using this 74153 mux IC, we will implement half adder, full adder and half subtractor and full subtractor. So the operation of this mux IC 74153 is, the select lines is there, no S0, S1, it will handle the inputs. Okay, so if S0, S1 are 0, 0, so it will allow the input Y0 to assemble in the output side. So mux is nothing but several inputs, single output, right? So for 0, S0 0, S1 0, so it will take the input 1 I0 as a output. So if it is S0, S1 is 0, 1, so it will take 1 I1 for its output. So for 1 0, it will take 1 I2 output, and for 1 1, it will take 1 I3 as its output. So similarly for these also it will be like that only. So for 0 0, it will take 2 I01 as its output. For 0 1, 2 I1. For 1 0, 2 I2. So for 1 1, 2 I3. So in this way the mux will be operated. So next, so this is the truth table of the half adder. That means here we are going to add the two bits to get the sum and carry. So you guys know about this operation. Okay, so here we will consider A as one input and B as select line here. So this half adder will be operated using mux IC 74153. So here A is considered as a single input and B as a one select line. Another will be grounded because it's not necessary here since it's a half adder. So for the A, we have using NOT gate. Okay, so we will use a single inputs, that is from 1 I0 to 1 I1. Okay, so for carry 2 I0 to 2 I1. Fine. So remaining inputs will be grounded and they are not necessary in this half adder operation. So here we will get the output as in the pin number 7, it's a sum, and for pin number 9 it's a carry. So let's analyze the truth table of this. So if the input is 0 and here we have taken B as select line. So input is 0 and select line is 0, then the select line will choose the 1 I0 input. So since A is 0 here and select line B is 0. So since it's a 0, it will take 1 I0 1 as its output. So what value is present here? So 0. 0 is present in the 1 I0. So the sum should be 0. See, the sum is 0. And coming to the carry, here select line is 0 and input is 0, and it will consider the 2 I0. Okay, here. So 2 I0 to get the carry value. So since it's a grounded, the carry value is 0. See, 0. So in the same way, next the input is 0, A, and select line is 1. See, input is 0 is there and select line is 1. So if it is a select line is 1, then it will take the input 1 I1 for its output. So what's the value here? Since A is 0, here we are choosing NOT gate, so it will give 1. So the value of 1 I1 is 1. So the output will become 1 only for sum. See, for 0, 1, the sum is 1. So coming to the carry, it's a select line 1 is there, so it will choose the 2i1. Okay, so 2i1, what the value is there? We have given 0 for, as input, so the carry will be 0. See, the carry is 0. Okay, next we will give the value for a as 1 and select line is 0. See, here a is 1 we have given and select line is 0. If it is a 0 select line, then it will choose a 1 I0 for its output. So we have given 1 here, so the output should be 1 for sum. See, the output is 1 for sum. So coming to the carry, since its a select line is 0, so it will take 2 I0. Okay, so it is grounded, so carry is also 0. Fine. Next input we have given is a as 1 and the select line is also 1. So at the select line is 1, it will choose the 1 I1 for sum. So here we have given 1 here. The after passing the NOT gate, we will get the 0. So the input for 1 I1 is 0. So since the select line is using 1, so it will give the output of 1 I1. Fine. So next coming to the carry. So since its select line is 1, so it will choose the 2 I1. Okay, the input we have given is 1, so the carry is 1. Okay, this is 1. Next coming to the full adder. So here this is the truth table of the full adder. So here we will take the A as single input and we will consider B, C are two select lines S0 and S1. Okay, so we will analyze this truth table using 74153 IC. See, here only single input we are taking and B and C in are the two select lines we are using. Here all the inputs I0 to I3 and 2 I0 to 2 I3 will be used for the full adder. Fine. So other connections VCC ground should be there, and if we are given the input 0 and the select lines are 0, 0. Okay. So S0, S1 both are 0, it will consider the output as 1 I0. Okay. So the data present here is 0 because we have given A as 0. So the sum is 0. See. So for input 0, select lines are 0, 0. So it will select the 1 I0 as its output. So sum is 0. So coming to the carry, since S0, S1 select lines are 0, 0, it will take 2 I0 as its output. Since it's the carry part, this is the sum part, this is the carry part. Okay, 1 I0 to 1 I3 is the sum part, 2 I0 to 2 I3 is the carry part. Since S0, S1, these select lines are 0, 0, it will choose 2 I0 to get the carry output. So here it is grounded, so absolutely the output is 0. See, carry is 0 here. Fine. So next coming to the, let's take this as 0, 1, 0. Okay. The input we have given is 0 and the select lines we have taken as 1, 0. So input is 0. Since it's a 1, 0, it will take 1 I2 as its output. Okay. If it's 0, 0, I0, 1 I0, for 0, 1, 1 I1, for 1, 0, 1 I2, for 1, 1, 1 I3. Fine. Here 1, 0 is there, so it will take the output present in the 1 I2. Here the data given is 0 and here we use the NOT gate, so we will get the 1 here. So 1 I2 value will be 1. So the sum value is 1. Okay. See, 0, input is 0 and select lines are 1, 0, the sum is 0. Fine. Next coming to the carry, since it's a 1, 0, so it will take 2 I2. Fine. So here in the 2 I2 we have 0. The input is 0, no, so it coming the same for the 2 I2. So the 0 is the carry value. See, 0 is the carry. So in this way we have to analyze it. So let's take the other combination 1, 1, 0. So input is 1. Fine. Input is 1 and the select lines are 1, 0. Okay. If the select lines are 1, 0, so it will take 1 I2 as the output for the sum. So here we are given input as 1. So after passing through NOT gate, we will have 0 in the 1 I2. So the sum value is 0. See here, the sum value is 0. And coming to the carry, since it's a 1 0, it will choose 2i2. Fine. The value of 2i2 is, here for A we have given 1. So the same will be present in the 2i2. So the value of carry output is 1. Fine. So in this way we have to analyze the truth table for the connections. And in the similar way you have to analyze for half subtractor and full subtractor. So coming to the half subtractor and full subtractor, so this is a truth table of the half subtractor. So for implementation of that using MUX IC 74153, this is the pin diagram. So you guys analyze the half subtractor and full subtractor truth table. Fine. This is the full subtractor truth table and this is the pin diagram of the full subtractor using the MUX 74153. Fine.